forgot to shoot an intro, so this is an introduction to Craig's 69 Bonneville. I've done quite a bit of work on it. Just got back on it again because we had some issues with fuel, amongst other things. So here's the issues with the tank.
So the plus side of this thing having an electric fuel pump that shouldn't be here and isn't needed. I can totally use it to drain the tank. So I can change the sender and clean up somebody's hillbilly mess. Yeah, this is the hokey type of stuff that I have to replace. Electric fuel pump, not even needed. There for no reason except to restrict fuel flow by the mechanical pump. Ay.
So here's the tank out of Craig's Bonneville. The lovely JB Weld job on the vent. That's pretty cute. Looks like maybe roofing mastic to seal the sender and the return. And I love how they were using the return for the feed, which would explain why the car would run out of gas when there's 4 friggin' gallons left in it. And then the lovely nuts as spacers on the screws because someone didn't have the right hardware. All kinds of fun. So we've been working on trying to find a tank for this, and because it has an aftermarket carb and fuel pump, it doesn't need the return anymore. So we're actually looking for a non-AC tank. Seeing the return line's been pretty much removed from the car anyway, underneath. So I got the car back down and on the cover and everything. So looking for that with correct sender. Trying to think if maybe an Impala one would work because they're pretty much the same car underneath. And then we can make our own filler or get one with a filler. I just gotta do some research, get some measurements, but fun times. That was a great morning.